my name is Michelle
and my name is Manha.
and today we are going to teach you how to read and write Chinese numbers. So let's get into it. So here first we have the Hanzi and the pinyin. The Hanzi is the symbol of the Chinese letters. Then the pinyin is the English form to make us read it easily. So let's start learning the numbers. So first up here is 1. So we say 1 as yi, yi. Then here's 2. 2 is 3 is san, 4 is si, and 5 is wu, 6 is liu, 7 is shi, 8 is ba, 9 is jiu, and 10 is shi. So let's get into the tones. So here there are different tones for different letters. So when we are giving these tones, it's only given to vowels, not to other letters. As you can see, here's U, I, A, E. So each tone is pronounced differently, like Wu. In Wu, we have to say it longer because this little V symbol here is telling us to say it longer. So here is si. This little tone here is telling us to say it faster. And the most important one is this one, the q. So there's a q here. So this q is pronounced as ch because this is supposed to pronounced as ch. So this q here is replaced by a ch. So you are supposed to say that ch, not t. So here it's telling you to go normally. So here you don't have to go fast or slow, just the normal way you pronounce I. That's why it's like a normal line. It's a straight line. So like ba, chi. So let's get into the other numbers.
Now we are going to learn the formation of two-digit numbers.
So here there is a shi and yi. This is 10 and 1. So in the normal English and in the normal basic maths, when you add 10 and 1, you get 11. So here we are going to explain you in a very simple, easy method. So the 10 represents a shi in Chinese, and here is 1, and this is yi. So when we add these two, shi comes first and yi comes second. So we have to say 10 and 1. So because 10 plus 1 equals 11. Same thing goes to other numbers. So this 10 is shi, the 2 is So the shi comes first. So then the comes. So same thing goes with this one. Shi san. Shi plus san equals shi san. So can my friends tell me what does 10 plus 4 equal to? So 10 equals shi. We all know. Then what is 4? It's si. Am I right? So how do you say 14 in Chinese?
Shi si.
Correct. So it's shi si. So let's recall this a little. So when we are writing these 12, 13, 14 numbers, when they have digits here, we say the 10 first. So after we say the 10, we say the digit that comes in the ones place. So it's shi yi, shi shi san, and shi si. Same thing goes with other numbers. So now let's move on with the 20s, 30s, and 40s. So here we see the time symbol, the multiplication symbol. So I'm going to teach you another easy method. So in the basic maths, 2 times 10 equals 20, right? So let's change this into Chinese. So 2 equals as we all know. And same goes with 10, it's shi. So plus shi equals shi. So this is similar with the other one we just now learned. as you can see, there's a tiny little similarity here. Shi, yi, shi, shi. So the difference here is this number goes here and the shi goes here. Why? Okay, let's say this. How many tens do you need to get at 20? So we say that we need 2 tens to get 20. Same thing goes with the other numbers. 3 times 10 equals 13. San shi. So that's 30. This is si shi. Then what? Tell me, my friends, what is 50 in Chinese? So we know that 5 is wu and 10 is shi. So as we did for the other numbers we just now learned, so what is the answer to this, Manho? Can you?
Shi.
Correcto. So it's wu, shi. So here it goes with the same. So let's recall this once more. When we are trying to write 20, 30, 40 and 50 and some the other numbers, we have to say this number first. How many tens are in that number? So how many tens are in a 20? There's 2. So it's shi, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, like that. So let's move on. Now we are gonna learn time or clock. So dian means hour or o'clock. So for example, you wanted to tell the time in Chinese. So let's say like this. So yi is 1. So you want to say 1 o'clock, the time in the digital time. So since dian means hour, so it's called as yi dian. So it's 1 hour. So dian. That's 2 hours. Or if you want to say the time, it can be yi dian 1 o'clock. Dian 2 o'clock. Like that you can say the time even though you change the numbers. So same goes with 3. So let's say this. San dian. That means 3 o'clock. So my friends, can you tell me what 4 o'clock is? Okay.
Si dian.
Correct. So first we put the hour. The hour. So it's si dian. 4 hours. 4 o'clock. So that's how we say the time from the hour part of the clock. Let's move on, shall we? Now we are going to learn about the minutes. So minute in Chinese is fen. So now we are going to rate the hours and the minutes. So for example, 3, 10. So the 3 is san, 10 is shi. So where are we going to place these numbers? So how many hours it is? It's 3. So here it will be san. So it's san dian. So it's 3 hours. So that's without the 0 here. So now we're going to write the minute hand. So here in the minutes we write this part of the time. So it's shi is 10. So it's shi. This is how we tell the time in Chinese. So this is how we pronounce it. San dian shi fen.
San dian shi fen.
That means 3:10. Let's move on to the next example. So here is 5. 5 is wu. 16 is shi liu. So where are we going to keep these numbers, Manho? Do you know where it is?
Wu dian shi liu fen.
Good job. So here is 5. So 5 here is wu. Here is 16. 16 is shi liu. So here is this minute hand and here is the hour hand. So here is wu dian, then shi fen, shi liu, I hope you learned something in this video. So, 再见.
再见。